What's up, Essence fam? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl J Essence and I'm back again with another video. So I have a quick question. Do you have your braids in for like 2, 3, 4 weeks and it's giving like I'm ready to come out and you're not ready for it to go? Honey, you're at the right place. I'm here to show you exactly how to refresh those braids to let them go from looking like this to looking like this, hunty. Fresh, like it was just done. Okay, so if you want to know how to refresh those braids, I got you in this video. Now if you're new here, welcome to the channel. My name is J Essence and I'm so happy that you found us. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and most of all, subscribe to the fam. All right, so yeah guys, stay tuned to the video and I got you. Let's refresh those braids.
Forgot to love this girl that he gave me you. So I fall to my knees and I pray you. And I cannot deny that you are the one for me.
Okay guys, so I'll be showing you exactly what you need to have those braids refreshed in no time. So first things first, you're going to need an edge wax, edge booster, edge control, whatever you use, honey, just grab one of those. What I'm using is this Fashion Wax number 2. It says for professional usage and it says it's strong, right? So any fashion wax of your choice or edge booster that you can find, I just grabbed the most economical one at my local beauty supply store, honey. So just get something that will get the job done. You don't have to break the bank. Okay, the next thing that you'll need is a crochet hook. You guys would have seen me use this in videos that I have on my channel. If you haven't checked those out, I'll definitely link them someplace here. But a crochet hook is a staple, honey, in this refreshing of your braids and in many other hair routines. All right, so grab one of these. Next, you will need a rat tail comb, an edge brush, a brush, whatever that works for you, to just sweep those edges in. Whatever you can use just that. And finally, this one is optional, but you can definitely go in with a mousse of choice. I really am going with the Vigorous curls, but any mousse of choice that you have at home, you can definitely use it just to refresh everything overall once you're through with refreshing your braids. First things first, you're going to section out the hair that you are going to refresh. It also depends on how you plan to wear your hair. So let's say you plan to wear it down, you want to ensure that you refresh the middle part or the top middle and the edges. If you plan to wear it up, like, you know, catch it up like this, you know, you want to do like the first row or the first 2 rows. If you plan to catch it all up, you know, you want to go around the circumference of your head. Okay, honey, just to take the heat and the pressure off doing every one of them, you can actually just work on that part. Well, I'm planning to just wear my hair half up mostly because that's why I wear it. So I'll be focusing on like the first row just to show you guys, or like the first 2 rows. Also, just an important pointer to note, whenever you're going to be refreshing your braids, you want to refresh it on like freshly washed hair. For me, I had these braids in for like 3 weeks now. Yes, it looks like a whole month, I know. 3 weeks now, but I recently washed it and make sure that the scalp was oiled to keep my scalp healthy. All right, so first things first, you want to ensure whenever you're crocheting, I know some people will be fearful that, hey, this is going to make the hair knotty, but the trick to it is whenever you're crocheting, crochet in one direction. If you go 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 direction, that is when you're gonna have a knot fusion. Okay, so you want to ensure that you're crocheting the hair in one direction. So if you're going from left to right, just go left to right all through. So I'm going to take some of the edge wax that I have here, right, and I'm going to work on the first 2 sections. Just using it to grab in those edges. After using the edge wax to grab it in, you're going to use like your rat tail comb or your edge brush to brush or comb everything in as much as possible. Alright, so now after grabbing those 2, separate one. I normally just turn it like this, right? And this is where your crochet hook come in. Okay guys, so I tried not to speed this part up too much so that you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. So basically, I'm using the crocheted hook to pull the hair through the root of the braid. It is also important to note that I'm attaching the hook to the end portion of the braids so that it's easier to be pulled through at the root. Get me? Sometimes the braid might get a little stuck, so you just want to be patient while pulling it through. I'm actually doing this like 2, 3, 4 times. It all depends on how tightly groomed you like the hair and how it actually feels, because you don't want to do it too tight. This is basically how the first side is looking. So freshly groomed, so cute, so fresh. Okay, so for the second side, as we see how lovely this side has turned out. All right, so we want to achieve the same thing here. Alright guys, I'm just repeating the steps here so that you guys can see in detail how it was actually done. So you just watch and follow exactly what I did. While you're here, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and do so. Like this video, drop a comment down below, share with your friends, honey. Let's get us to 600 subscribers. Thank you so much for watching guys. Love you guys and enjoy the video. Okay guys, so we have now arrived at the end of the video. I genuinely hope you learned something, learned how to refresh those braids, learned to make that money stretch, honey. All right, so if you did enjoy the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and the most of all, subscribe. We're on our way to 600 subscribers, honey. Let's get there. All right, so thanks again for tuning in. It was my pleasure, and until then, I'll definitely see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. Hey guys, so that was the end of the video. I genuinely what?